Okay, kindergartners, we're going to go ahead and look at some words and mark some special sounds and mark some vowels. So make sure you're staying with me. Pay attention to the TV. See if you can help me find my special sounds. Now, the first thing you want to do when you're looking at words is to find the special sounds and then find the vowels. You want to find the special sounds first and then find the vowels. So we're going to start right here with this first word. We're going to look for special sounds. Ter is a special sound, and k is a special sound. Now you have this I left over, and between the special sounds, it's by itself, so that makes it soft sound, short sound, I. So now you can say your word. Ter, I, k. Trick, trick. Let's do this one. Pull is a special sound, and k is a special sound, and right between them is this U all by itself, and it's going to say it's soft sound, it's short sound. Pull, k, pull, k, pluck. All right, let's try this one. Ch, ch, ch. And church is a special sound. We're going to circle that. Ch. Short sound. I. N. Ch. I. N. Chin. Here we have another word. AR is a special sound. R and star. AR. F. R. F. R. Far. Okay. Here we have another special sound. It doesn't look like it, but it is. It's an E all by itself at the end of a two-letter word. It is E in me, but here you have a B, E, B, B. Let's look at this word, st. Circle st. Mark the A with a short sound because it's the only vowel in the sentence. St, and, st, and, stand. Now, it would be best if you guys try to read these words before Miss Parris gets done reading them. I think you can. We've done this a long while, so try really hard. Here you have the special sound, The two O's are either going to say or oo. In this word, it's going to say b, k, because b-ook, book wouldn't work. So it has to be the sound. B-k, book. And you'll get quicker with that over time. Here's another O-O. That is a special sound. Two O's together. This also is going to say f, t, because f-oot, foot is not what you call those things you walk on. It's called a foot, foot. All right, look at this one right here. There's only a vowel. There's no special sounds. One vowel makes it soft. Runs, runs, runs. She runs outside. All right, look at this bottom row. Your special sound here is fur. But you have two vowels left over. First one's long, second one's silent. So that E is now going to say E. Fur, E. Free. All right. I do have something special to share with you, so pay attention. How do we mark this? Long, silent. There's no special sounds. Now O says O instead of ah. N-O-S. Nose. Try this one. There's no special sound here. Long, silent, t-o-s. Toes. Here you have the special sound spur. And you also have the special sound A in pray. Spur, A. spur, a, spray. Here you have the special sound thir, T-H-R. Then you have long E, silent E. So now this E says E. Thir, E, thir, E. 3. Very good. Let's try this one. Sp, sp. Special sound sp. First E long, second E silent. Sp, E, d. Speed, speed. Okay, before we look at a few more words in a second here, let's see if you guys can do some numbers for me very quickly, okay? Look at my numbers and say them as quick as you can. Ready? Go. 33. Whoops. That's upside down. 50. 97. 93. 51. Hey, pay attention. 36. 28. What? I had them all straight. I dropped them and I thought I put them all back straight. 41. Do it really quickly. 52. Good. 29. Good job. Okay. I'm going to turn this over. But really quick before we do this, I have a friend that wants to sing a silly song with us. It's Purple Bear. Say hello, hello. We are going to sing the song. And it's a really gross song, but it's a song about a bumblebee. A bumblebee. I caught myself a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I caught myself a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It bit me. Well, if it bit him, what's he gonna do? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ew, what a mess all over my hands. I'm washing off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm washing off my baby bumblebee. Now my mommy won't be mad at me. Make sure if you squish any baby bumblebees that you wash them off. Yuck. Thank you for that, Pink Bear. You did a great job. All right, let's look at our words again. Don't go away. Here we are. All right, you think you know this word? Where's the special sound? Point at it. Make sure you're pointing at your special sounds. T-H, B-A-Th, B-A-Th, bath. Where's your special sound in this word? S-T, st, f-a-st, fast. And I forgot to mark the vowels here. Here is the O in go. G-O. The reason that's a special sound is because it's not saying its short sound, it's just saying O. G-O. Do you have a special sound in this word? Yep. A-Y. A in pray. P-A. P-A. Pay. All right, let's look at this one. Up. Is there any special sound in here? No, there's not. So we're going to mark E to remind us that's a up. Help. 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 Okay, here you're going to circle TR. Tur is a special sound. A is long. E is silent. Tur, aid. Tur, aid. Trade. Trade. Here's what I stuck in here because we use this a lot when we talk. We tell mom and dad that we love them, or your sister or brother. And we say love a lot. This is how you spell the word love. This is how you spell the word love. However, it doesn't really look like it ought to say love because you hear the sound. But actually love is spelled Love. And if you were to sound it out the way that you think you would, it would say love. But actually this says love. Love. So if you want to say I love you, you say I love you. I love you. And you write that to your mama or your grandma. Here we don't have any special sounds, so we're going to straight A, cross out I, wait. All right, one more line, and then we're going to read a book real quick, okay? Is there any special sound here? No. So we're going to put a soft sound. Gift. Any special sound here? No. Long I, silent E. Life. Okay, let's look at this one. Sn. Ease. Sneeze. That's a long word. Here's a special sound. St. Here's another special sound. Or. St. Or. St. Or. Storm. And remember, when there is no vowels left over because of special sounds, you don't mark the vowels in those ones, okay? All right, let's do some quick numbers again. And hopefully my numbers are straight. Make sure. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Go. Scream it out. 40. 94. 46. 15. 12. 49. 91. 21. Very good. Hey, no. We're not going to sing the bumblebee song again. No, we're not. We're not. I'm telling you, no more bumblebee song. But we can get Green Bear. This is called Navigational Bear. Navigational Bear, did you want to sing a song today? You did? What do you want to sing? Oh, you do you? You want to sing that song about the bunny? You do? Oh, let's sing the song about the bunny. Do you guys know the bunny song? Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, picking up the field mice and popping them on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said, little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you picking up the field mice and bopping them on the head. I'll give you 3 chances, which is more than your mama gives you. If you don't behave, I'll turn you into a goon. What's a goon? You'll find out. No more bopping. Well, the next day, little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, picking up the field mice and bopping them on the head. down came the good fairy, and she said, "Oh my goodness, Foo-Foo, little bunny Foo-Foo, I don't want to see you picking up the field mice and bopping them on the head. I'll give you 2 more chances, which is more than your mama gives you. And if you don't behave, I'll turn you into a goon." The next day, little bunny Foo-Foo hopping through the forest, picking up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And down came the good fairy, and she looked at him and she said, "Little bunny Foo-Foo, I don't want to see you picking up the field mice and bopping them on the head. Oh, my goodness, that is not okay. I'll give you 1 last chance. And if you don't behave, I'm going to turn you into a goon." Well, the next day, little bunny Foo-Foo hopping through the forest, picking up the field mice and bopping them on the head. "Little bunny Foo-Foo, I don't want to see you picking up them field mice and bopping them on the head. I gave you 3 chances, and you did not behave. So I am going to turn you into a goon. In 3, 2, 1, poof." Guess you're sorry you didn't behave. Now you're a goon. Well, I was wondering what a goon was. Now I know. That was Song Time with Green Bear. Now for our last thing, we're going to look at the foot book. And the reason we're going to read this is because I think you all can read this book. It is very easy. In fact, if you happen to have this book in your house, I'd love for you to go get it. But if you don't, you could just sit still and watch. And I know the camera's shaking a little bit, but I'm trying to get it to stop. This is the Foot Book by Dr. Seuss. I'm sure you remember us reading this in class. But today you're going to read it with me and not watch me read it, okay? Here we go. Let's see if you can read these words right here. Left foot, left foot, right foot, right, left foot, right foot, right. Feet in the morning, feet at night. If you're listening for the rhyming words, it will help you. Left foot, left foot, left foot, right. I feel like I missed out something. I guess not. Wet foot, dry foot, low foot, high foot. If nothing else, you should know how to read the word foot when we're done with this foot book. Front, front, feet. Back, feet. Red feet. Black feet. Left foot, right foot. Feet, feet, feet. How many feet you meet? You trying to read it with me? Slow feet, quick feet, trick feet, sick feet. Up feet, down feet. Here come clown feet. Small feet, big feet. Here come pig feet. His feet, her feet, fuzzy fur feet. In the house and on the street, how many feet you meet. Do you ever stop to think about all the feet you pass by in a day? Up in the air feet, over a chair feet. More and more feet. 24 feet. Here come more and more and more feet. Left foot, right foot, feet, feet, feet. Oh, how many feet you meet. Feet, feet, all over feet. Okay, we had a lot of fun. We read a lot of things. I hope you're getting the hang of doing your special sounds. Have a good night.